In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use American Express gift card on Amazon. So let's get started. While you can't directly make use of an American Express gift card on Amazon as a gift card, there are two ways you can use it to make purchases. The first way is that you can add it as a credit card. So first of all, you'll have to make sure that your American Express gift card is activated. You can do this online at their website or by calling American Express customer service. Now, once that is done, you're going to log into your Amazon account and go to your accounts. You're going to click on it. From here, you're going to click on your payment and then you're going to click on add a payment method. And from here, you're going to click on add a credit or debit card. Now, once you're here, you're going to enter your American Express gift card details, including card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. Click add your card. When checking out on Amazon, choose your American Express gift card as the payment method. Now, the second option is to reload your Amazon gift card balance. So you can do that by logging into your Amazon account, going to your accounts, and then gift cards. So you can go ahead to the gift cards option, and then I'm gonna go ahead and find the gift card option. We can just click on all. It's an easier way. Go scroll down, click on gift cards, and click on top up in store. Here, gift cards, and you're gonna click on buy at store. Now what you can do here is you can go ahead and purchase different gift cards. So all gift cards. You can go ahead and purchase all the different gift cards using your American Express gift card as the payment method. So you're gonna follow the same steps, add the details, and click on add funds, and then you'll have successfully bought a gift card which you can use to make other purchases on Amazon. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.